Okay, so next up is You Are My Sunshine. So as always, you can find this handout in the curriculum below. And here are the signs that we'll use. So we'll need sunshine. So the sun shines down on you. Only, the only one. Gray, we mix our colors together. Never, so it comes up and then comes down. So it kind of reminds me of like somebody giving attitude. Sweetheart, so any term of endearment, we bring our hands together. So it's more these parts where your rings sit over your heart and then your fingers go up and down. So that could be dear, honey, sweetheart, sweetie. I love you. So we can do that two different ways. So we have I love you like this, or we can do I love you. Then we'll need the sign for night. So we show sort of that the sun has set. And dream. So we make the letter D and then we show the dreams coming from our mind. And then mistake. So it's a Y hand. And right here is what will fit mistake right onto your chin. So it goes. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. All right, so then we can also do the other night, dear, while I lay sleeping, I dreamt I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken, and I hung my head and I cried. All right, we'll do it one more time. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. Yay, great job.